Welcome back students to the fourth part of life process chapter. In this video we are going to discuss about respiration in plants. So respiration in plants, as you all know, plants don't have any specialized organ. They don't breathe, they only respire. Respiration involves external respiration and internal respiration. And mainly in respiration, you have studied in the last video that glucose in the presence of oxygen is getting converted into water, carbon dioxide and energy. Now talking about respiration in plants, they have external respiration or gaseous exchange, and this takes place with the help of roots, leaves and stem. Now we can speak about respiration in roots. Oxygenated air is present in between air spaces in the soil. This air is absorbed with the help of root hairs. Root hairs are absorbent hairs on the epidermis of the plant root. They are lateral extensions of a single cell. Exchange of gases takes place through diffusion. Now in this picture you can see root, the small root hairs, soil particles and the air spaces in between the soil particles. Now moving on to the next picture, here you can see oxygen is being taken inside and carbon dioxide is moving out. Carbon dioxide, which is given out by the cells during respiration, also leaves the roots through the root hairs by the process of diffusion. Now next is respiration in leaves. In leaves, the exchange of gases occurs through very small pores called stomata. The direction of exchange of gases between a plant and surroundings depend on the time of the day, that is whether day or night, usage of gases by the plants. Now this picture shows stomata in the opened and the closed form. You have already studied about stomata in photosynthesis. Stomata is a pore found in the epidermis. It is bordered by a pair of specialized parenchyma cells known as guard cells. The guard cells regulate the size of the stomatal opening. Exchange of gases takes place by diffusion. Now this is a diagram of stomatal aperture, which is made up of stomatal pore. The cells guarding the stomatal pore are the guard cells. The cells present near to the guard cells are known as subsidiary cells, and you can see the epidermal cells also. Next is respiration in stem. In plants with herbaceous stem, exchange of gases occurs through the stomata. But in plants with hard and woody stem, the exchange takes place through structures known as lenticels.
Lenticels are loosely packed dead cells which are present as tiny pores on the bark of woody stem. They enable oxygen to reach the intercellular spaces. Carbon dioxide is released to the atmosphere by the process of diffusion. Now in the next slide you can see the lenticels on the woody stem, and you also can see how it appears in this cross section of the stem. Now respiration in daytime. Plants respire throughout the day. Light reaction in photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of sunlight. Carbon dioxide produced during respiration is used by plants in photosynthesis. Therefore, carbon dioxide is not released to the atmosphere during daytime. Out of the oxygen produced, some amount is used up during respiration and only the rest is released. Now in this diagram you can see both day and night. In the daytime carbon dioxide is used up and oxygen is released, while in the night oxygen is taken inside and carbon dioxide is released. Now we can talk about respiration during night time. No light reaction During dark reaction, no oxygen is released. Carbon dioxide produced during respiration is not required for the plants as no light reaction takes place in the night. Therefore, carbon dioxide produced is released in the air. At night, carbon dioxide is released and oxygen is taken in. Now, overall picture showing respiration in plants. During photosynthesis, sugar and carbon dioxide is produced. This is used up during cellular respiration, and the cellular respiration releases water and carbon dioxide, which is again used by photosynthesis. Cellular respiration takes place in the mitochondria and photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Now this video is over. Thank you very much.